Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create discount codes in Shopify step by step so you can boost sales, attract new customers, and retain loyal buyers effectively in 2026. Discount codes are a powerful marketing tool for e-commerce. They encourage first-time purchases, reward repeat customers, and can help clear inventory faster. So yeah, setting them up correctly in Shopify can really impact your revenue. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Discounts. Here you'll find all existing discount codes and the option to create new ones. Click on Create Discount. You can choose between different types such as percentage off, fixed amount off, or free shipping. Decide which type aligns with your promotion strategy. Set the discount details. Give it a clear and memorable name that customers can easily use at checkout. Define the value, minimum purchase requirements, if any, and the products or collections the discount applies to. Choose the usage limits. You can set the discount to be used once per customer, multiple times, or only for specific customers. This gives you control over how promotions are applied and prevents misuse. Set start and end dates for your discount. Scheduling discounts allows you to run time-limited campaigns, which creates urgency and boosts conversions. Finally, save your discount code and share it with your audience. Promote it via email, social media, or directly on your Shopify store. Track performance using Shopify Analytics to see which codes drive the most sales and optimize future campaigns accordingly. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.